Car safety has dramatically improved over the years, with Tesla emerging as a leader in this crucial area. The company's vehicles consistently receive top ratings in safety tests, particularly from organizations like the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IHS) and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA). Tesla's innovative design features and engineering contribute to their remarkable safety performance, making them some of the safest cars on the road today. One of the key factors behind Tesla's impressive safety ratings is the absence of a traditional engine. Unlike gas-powered cars, electric vehicles (EVs) like Tesla's have no engine at the front. This allows the car's front end to be made of steel and aluminum that can crumple upon impact, effectively absorbing much of the crash force. This crumpling reduces the energy transferred to the passengers inside, offering enhanced protection during a collision. Additionally, the absence of an engine allows for better distribution of weight and a more rigid frame that contributes to overall crash safety. In addition to the absence of an engine, the low center of gravity in Tesla vehicles provides another safety advantage. The battery pack, which is positioned low in the vehicle, helps lower the car's center of gravity, making Teslas more stable and less prone to rolling over during sudden maneuvers. According to NHTSA, the mid-size Tesla Model Y has a rollover risk of just 8%, which is the lowest of any SUV on the market. This is a remarkable feat for an SUV, a type of vehicle that traditionally has a higher tendency to roll over. Furthermore, Tesla's engineering has focused on the strength of the vehicle's roof. In the unfortunate event that a Tesla overturns, the roof is designed to withstand significant force. For example, the Model 3's roof has been shown to resist over 20,000 pounds of force, which is nearly 6 times its own weight. To put this into perspective, it is equivalent to the weight of about 2 full-grown African elephants. This added strength helps protect the occupants in the event of a rollover, providing an extra layer of security during a crash. Another key area where Teslas excel in safety is in the side impact protection. The sides of most vehicles are the least protected part, as they lack areas designed to crumple like the front and rear. To compensate for this, Tesla vehicles, particularly the Model 3, are reinforced with ultra-high-grade steel in the side panels, ensuring that the car remains rigid during a side collision. The car's battery pack also acts as a barrier, offering additional protection from side impacts. In the event of a side collision, the Model 3 is also equipped with a thick curtain airbag, which further improves the vehicle's safety rating by cushioning passengers from the impact. Real-world examples highlight the effectiveness of these safety features. In Oregon, a Tesla Model S driver crashed into a pole, hit 2 trees, and struck a telephone box. Despite the severity of the crash, during which batteries were ejected onto the road, the driver walked away with only minor injuries. This illustrates just how robust Tesla vehicles are in protecting their occupants, even in severe accidents. In addition to its physical crash protection, Tesla has also focused on developing technologies designed to prevent accidents before they happen. Tesla vehicles are equipped with advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking (AEB) and lane keeping assistance. The AEB system detects obstacles in the vehicle's path and automatically applies the brakes to avoid or mitigate a collision. The lane keeping system detects when the vehicle is drifting out of its lane and steers it back into position. These technologies are designed to reduce the likelihood of accidents by actively assisting the driver. However, there are still some areas where these safety systems can be improved. For example, in tests conducted by European safety experts Euro NCAP, the AEB system of the Tesla Model X successfully avoided hitting a dummy at a speed of 25 km/h 16 mph, but it failed to do so at a higher speed of 30 km/h 19 mph, although it did reduce the speed before impact. While Tesla's AEB system has made significant advancements over previous generations of auto-braking technology, it is still being refined to work better at higher speeds. Tesla's long-term goal is to achieve full autonomy, where vehicles can operate without any input from the driver. Currently, Tesla offers full self-driving FSD software, which is a considerable improvement over the previous Autopilot system. FSD allows Tesla vehicles to drive themselves on both city streets and highways without any input from the driver. However, even with this advanced system, drivers must remain alert and be prepared to take control of the vehicle if it encounters a situation it cannot handle. This has led to concerns about the safety of fully automated vehicles, particularly after incidents where drivers were distracted or failed to take over control of the car when necessary. One of the most notable incidents occurred in 2018 when a Model X on Autopilot drove into a concrete barrier in California, killing the driver, an Apple engineer who had been playing a game on his iPhone and failed to intervene when the car did not respond correctly. This tragedy highlighted the dangers of relying on semi-autonomous systems without proper supervision from the driver. Despite these concerns, Tesla's vehicles continue to receive high safety ratings, and the company remains committed to improving both its hardware and software to make its cars even safer. Tesla's full self-driving system is believed to be moving from level 2 autonomy to level 3, meaning the vehicle can handle more driving tasks but still requires the driver's attention. Despite ongoing discussions and challenges around the safety of Tesla's automated driving systems, the company continues to lead the charge in vehicle safety innovation. Other automakers, such as Lexus and Audi, have also earned top safety ratings, but Tesla's combination of innovative design, advanced safety features, and ongoing technological advancements place it at the forefront of automotive safety. However, Tesla's claims about being the safest car ever built have not gone without criticism. NHTSA, the American road safety regulator, accused Tesla of misleading consumers with that statement, claiming it was inappropriate to compare vehicles of different weights. Tesla responded by defending its claims, saying they were based on NHTSA's own calculations. In addition to these safety innovations, Tesla has faced scrutiny from regulators over technical issues. For example, in January, NHTSA requested Tesla to recall 158,000 Model S and Model X vehicles due to failing touchscreens that could increase the risk of accidents. Tesla has yet to publicly comment on the issue, highlighting the ongoing debate about the company's safety record. Ultimately, whether or not Tesla vehicles are the absolute safest on the market is still up for debate. However, there is no question that the company has made substantial progress in making cars safer and continues to lead the automotive industry with its cutting-edge safety features. As technology evolves and self-driving capabilities improve, it is hoped that Tesla will continue to push the boundaries of automotive safety, helping make driving safer for everyone on the road.